Marcin Oleszowski. I'm in charge of the street lighting department at Lux and LED. The city of Wrocław is currently a leader in implementing smart city solutions. That's why the contractor asked us to select and design a wireless control system that meets the city's current needs and can also be adapted for a wide range of future smart city applications. We used a radio technology solution that provides a strong and highly reliable transmission signal, ensuring consistent and dependable communication. Thanks to this, we don't need to install additional antennas or sockets on the luminaire. It also allowed us to retain all functionalities, such as real-time monitoring, individual management of each luminaire, as well as instant alerts about a potential failure of any given streetlight. We designed and developed the wireless control system to be universal and accessible, not just for urban solutions, but also for traffic and transport management systems, as well as for lighting on national roads, expressways, and highways. The system's key benefits, which are worth highlighting, include interoperability, the ability to integrate with other systems if the client wants to expand the street lighting in the future.